What would either of you have as advice for people looking for retailers as being able to identify someone who is forthcoming and trustworthy, and maybe some of the red flags if you go into some retailers? What would you advise clients on looking out for?
I think it's quite tough to look out for red flags. I mean, you could say some things like, for example, if a place isn't open, you might sort of think that's a bit strange, but that might be a completely legitimate circumstance.
Could be a sick child that they've had to go home for.
You don't know, do you? So you don't want to be sort of making any careless judgments. But certainly having an identity as a member of a trade organisation is a good sign. Doesn't mean you should leave it there and only refer to that as a tick box, because there are so much more you can do to look into them. But as Richard said, that not everybody is able to look into details of financial situations of a business. And if a company or an organisation rather like KBSA is doing that for you as a consumer, this is a massive time saver, and it's giving consumers that reassurance that business is stable, that business has been there and doing a good job for some time. Because you need a collection of clients to check out. You need to build those up. They don't happen overnight.